Hello my friends, I am the foreigner and how can I get vaccine because I am out of country. Another country, how can I get a vaccine? Yes, so today I am going to tell you in this video all the information how can you get vaccine in another country. Right now I am in the Vietnam and Vietnam information I am going to tell you in this video all things. So please get ready. Yes, step you have to follow to register the vaccine and what is the precautions of the vaccine, all things here information for you. I am giving you the 5 step and you see this all step, and before you thinking that how I know, because I have already vaccine and here I vaccinate already, and you will have a vaccine of the Japan. It's coming from the Japan. The name is AstraZeneca, Jansa, whatever. This is a vaccine name which you have in the Vietnam people. Everybody have. Finish. So I am sharing with you all this knowledge. Please click here. All information you will get. Everything about the vaccine if you are a foreigner. Get ready. The first step to get information, how to get information about the vaccine. So what we have to do, everybody have a district here, district 1, district 2, district 3, district 4, Tan Binh district, Tan Binh district, Tan Phu in the Vietnam. So what you have to know that in your area have some place, there are people in like a school or somewhere, they vaccinate, because Vietnam government decided to each and every one have a vaccine, even they are foreigner, even they belong to somewhere, they have is a country people, and here everywhere they have a vaccinate. So first you have to know about the in your area have a vaccine or no. First, if you have a information about that vaccine have, so you have to click on the link on your area. It's like I am living in the district Tan Phu, so my area have a one link which is belong to the government. They are registered the vaccine. You don't need to go to your company owner, you don't need to go to the boss, you don't need to ask anyone. Everybody have that link, copy link. You have to click on the link. Just what you need. There's another thing. The first you have to check which the link of your area. The second you need the documents only your passport, which very important. Second, your residence card. You don't need your any agreement of the company. You don't need any whatever the documents the company give you here on Flana Dimkana. No anything. Everybody can have a vaccine. Just you need your residence card, which where you live, and your passport. The third point is about the precautions of the food or something. I think if you are a normal or healthy people and strong and you are having exercise, I think in my circle, I think all the yogis or some bodybuilder or something like that, they are very active and don't have any problem. They can have a bath first in the morning and they can go after breakfast. Remember one thing is chicken and egg is not allowed. At least after vaccine 3 days you cannot eat the chicken and some egg. But otherwise you can eat the meat or fruits, water you can drink a lot. They inform me everything, so I'm sharing with you this thing. You can see in the Google what precautions you have to follow. It's very easy. The fourth one is after the vaccine, how many days or how many weeks or how many months? 6 to 8 weeks you have to wait for the another dose of the vaccine. 6 to 8 weeks, and you have a one paper which is you have a first vaccine. So please you keep save this paper because they will call you once again for the second vaccination. So please remember 6 to 8 weeks for the second vaccine dose. And the last one is how I registered the vaccine. Okay, I will give you here down, you can see the form and all. I will give all the information about the combination. Very easy, not very difficult, you don't need to ask anyone. Very easy combination. Yeah, have a little bit Vietnamese name. Just only 3 information you need: your passport number, your address which is belong to the resident card, resident card whatever, and your phone number. The 3 things: your passport number, your home number, address, and in the Vietnam, and the information. This is only you need it. Very easy. You will get the link from your district, your area, everybody. All the area get that link. You have to submit the form. You don't need any documents, where you belong to, your boss from where, he apply can you or no. No, very easy. You can apply yourself and you can go yourself. They will connect with you, they will call you, they will message you. They will message you on the normal message. You have, when you apply this, you click on the link. I will send all the information. Here you can see this. This is the form, submission form. And what is the step when you vaccinate? Then I'm telling you this thing. The first, they will take your, put your here gun, fever gun. They will see the by not you are sick or not. The second, when you go inside, they will check your blood pressure. He checked my blood pressure. He said, ऐसे यार योगा करना तो योगा ही चलता है क्या? And then they have some small question and answer in another round. Around 4 to 5 round. After then you are vaccinated, and after then they will ask about you, what you do. Do you have any dishes? Last 14 days, do you have any dishes or no? What about that? Do you meditation or no? Some normal questions, and they will talk about the vaccine and what you have to do or not do. Precautions or something. These all. So, if this videos give you a little bit information, so please कर दो यार, क्या जा रहा है, क्लिक ही तो करना है यार. Okay, thank you. I see that I think his information is very necessary for a lot of people, because who work in the foreign country. So let us share with you. Please subscribe भाई, subscribe कर दो यार, मेरे subscribe कर दो यार.